So a headlight restoration kit, I recommend this, the ceramic Griot's Garage ceramic headlight. I use it on my car already. Oh, and then I'm gonna be using Koenigsegg's glass cleaner just to test it out and to clean the surface and everything. So I can save some time. I'm only going to be filming one side. So let's go ahead and clean these headlights off and the fog light as well. Oh, it's recommended to tape off the outsides, but I don't need it. So we're gonna clean with the oxidation, then we're gonna sand, then we're gonna put the coating, and it'll be done. So step one, after making sure you cleaned it real quick, you want to go ahead and use the oxidation remover. The crazy thing about this is you can see the yellow start to come off right away. Most of the time. Like just this alone's kind of showing it more clear. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera, but so just using the oxidation remover, you can see through the lens. The fog lights still need some work, but this is how we started. So now we're gonna do sanding. You wanna keep it moisturized while you're sanding. Right now we have 1000 grit. You know when to go to the next level of sandpaper when your first pass is already hazy. From maybe this angle you can see it. It gives like a uniform look. And that's when it's best time to start going to the next grit. Time to go to 2000 grit. And it'll say right there 2000. Also, you don't want to throw this one away because you're going to use the same one for the other side. So today the plan is just to clean them, and then tomorrow I'll put in the new LED bulbs. Okay, we're gonna dry these off. Put the 2000 grit away for later. And last one, 3000 grit. When you're applying the ceramic headlight coating, I would recommend wearing any kind of gloves. Let me just compare it to what it was at one point. It's already looking better with all these other steps compared to how it was. Now let's do what you guys came here to see. And the last step, ceramic headlight coating. That's just with one pass. Can you see the difference? It's so crazy. So it's before, and then this is after. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side because we're already out of daylight. So now, just like that, my headlights have been restored. I mean, they're brighter, but with LEDs, they're gonna make it even more brighter. It's a super simple process on restoring your headlights with that kit. The before and after of the results came out amazing.